Hey guys, today we're making 5-ingredient no-bake mini cheesecakes. The recipe will be listed below. First, we're going to make the crust. You're going to take 6 Oreos and then just grind them up. And then you're going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter. And next you're going to line a cupcake tin with cupcake liners, and then you're going to flatten out the Oreo mixture to make a crust. And then next we're going to make the filling. We're just separating the Oreo cream from the Oreo cookies, and we're going to take that cream and combine it with cream cheese in a mixture. Or you can use the hand mixer, you don't have to use a stand mixer. And then we'll add in the sour cream. You're not mixing for very long, just maybe 20 seconds at a time, and then we're adding some confectioner sugar. You don't have to add any liquid to this recipe. And then you're going to take those separated cookie pieces and add them to the batter. And now once you have your batter made, you're just going to spoon it into the cupcake liners until they're full. And then you're just going to top with 6 more broken Oreos. And you'll refrigerate probably for about 3 hours and then enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Bye.